This is true tribute to the nation. In fact, the lineup of the Republic Day Parade always has two exciting displays to herald the last segment of these celebrations. A daring display of balance, concentration, and creativity, the motorcycle display, followed by power and precision in the skies, the Indian Air Force fly past. And this year, exhibiting their collective skills through the motorcycle display are highly trained women and men from the CRPF and SSB. The all-women CRPF team will be led by Assistant Commandant Seema Nag, who has been leading this team for the past 12 years, while the SSB team is being led by Assistant Commandant Naveen Kumari. From a solo one-wheel riding maneuver to a high of 42 riders, these teams collaborate to impress and inspire everyone with their diligence, dexterity, and daring.
कर्तव्य पथ पर अब मानव मशीन को कैसे कैसे संतुलन कर सकता है, उसके दृश्य देखिए। डेयरडेविल्स टीम, सीआरपीएफ और एसएसबी का संयुक्त प्रदर्शन। अभिवादन सहायक कमांडेंट सीमा नाग और सहायक कमांडेंट नवीन कुमारी।
The salutation going past the saluting base. Absolutely amazing to see the ability of the human being to master the laws of physics, to come together with complete dexterity, precisely co-balanced formations. And this is the one-wheel riding Constable Saji KS of the SSB, moves forward with courage and composure. A light breeze catching the flags, but definitely not throwing anybody off balance. Approaching the saluting base, we have the Sarvatra Suraksha formation.
एसएसबी की निरीक्षक शहनाज अपने 18 साथी जवानों के साथ, सीआरपीएफ की कांस्टेबल सीमा पुंडीर अपने 11 जवानों के साथ सर्वत्र सुरक्षा की फॉर्मेशन में। बहादुरी के साथ अगर कुशलता जुड़ जाए तो क्या परिणाम होता है, ये परिणाम होता है। और एक पंक्ति जो हम अक्सर दोहराते हैं ऐसे प्रदर्शनों में कि आप ऐसे प्रदर्शन न करें।
It's very risky, absolutely. And now going past the saluting base, we have the formation Jungle Warrior. Assistant Commandant Rishu Shrikant Palande of the CRPF, along with 11 of his fellow soldiers, demonstrating remarkable target acquisition during an encounter with Naxalites.
वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन डिजिटल इंडिया इंस्पेक्टर ज्योति यादव और कांस्टेबल ताहिर एसएसबी अपने 10 साथी जवानों के साथ और हवलदार सरिता बिष्ट सीआरपीएफ अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ इस आधुनिक युग के डिजिटल भारत की नवीन संचार तकनीकों को दर्शाते हुए।
And now approaching the saluting base, the beam roll. Constable Shivalila of the CRPF, along with 9 fellow soldiers, performing the beam roll on a moving bike at Kartavya Path. It is said, and very rightly so, that the most effortless displays of skill and talent are the result of intense effort and showing here.
और अब योग की शक्ति, भारत हमेशा से विश्व योग गुरु रहा है। योग की आवश्यकता को समझाते हुए कांस्टेबल ओम प्रकाश और नमिता एसएसबी अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ चलती बुलेट पर सूर्य नमस्कार की विभिन्न मुद्राओं में।
Such balance, such perfection. And now target going past the saluting base. Constable Soni Devi of the CRPF, along with 4 of her fellow soldiers, and Constable Navaprabhat of the SSB, along with his fellow soldier, standing face to face in a moving bike